Today, we're going to talk about Dolce Gabbana The One Eau de Toilette. I'm going to do a breakdown of all the notes in this fragrance. The top notes are grapefruit, coriander, and basil. The mid notes are ginger, cardamom, and orange blossom. And the base notes are amber, tobacco, and cedar. Now I'm going to proceed to the smell test. We'll see what the fragrance is like on the opening, give you my brief description of what notes I smell the most, and then in half an hour or so, I'll come back and tell you what the dry down's all about. Very bright opening. Definitely more of a spring fragrance. Strong grapefruit smell. Really, that's what I get off the top is that grapefruit. Yep, grapefruit. There's some ginger as well. Again, very bright, quite fresh. Seems like it would have a nice sillage, nice projection. Apparently the performance on this isn't the best, quite poor, so I'll see how it fares out. But this is quite enjoyable, very pleasant. It's a compliment getter. It's not going to be you're not going to be offending anyone with this. I wouldn't say it's an extremely unique fragrance. It's very nice, very good. Something you could wear on a date. Casual day out. All right, I'll let you guys know what the dry down's all about. Okay guys, so it's been about 4 hours since I applied it, and can definitely tell you what the dry down is like. You really smell the ginger and the tobacco coming through, the amber note also, but for me, definitely ginger and tobacco. It's a gorgeous scent. I definitely say it's one of the sexiest ones out there, sexy for designer fragrance. Yeah, date, 100% a date fragrance. Something you're gonna wear if you're in a close environment with someone. You're not gonna fill up a room with this fragrance. It doesn't have that kind of sillage and projection. But longevity so far, it's still present. I can still smell it quite well. So I don't know if it's gonna get 8 hours, but after 4, I can still detect it on my skin. Definitely something that's going to benefit from a bit of a heat boost in the spring, cooler summer. But overall, I really enjoy this fragrance. You should check it out. It's going to be linked down below. Peace.